This is a canine hypnotherapy session aimed at relaxing your dog, releasing tension from their body, and enabling them to choose calm, peaceful behaviours and responses to the world around them.
Hello, I have been asked to record this audio for you because you are unhappy in some way. I want to assure you that I will not harm you in any way, and what I say to you today will help you to feel better. So I'd like you to start to relax now, into relaxation, and beginning to relax, perhaps lying down somewhere in the room, in a place you feel safe and relaxed in. And begin to allow your breathing to be calm and relaxed.
Steadying your breathing.
Resting into a feeling of peace, calm and relaxation.
Becoming peaceful.
So as you relax now, deeper and deeper with each breath you breathe.
Soothing your breathing.
Feeling more and more relaxed, deeper and deeper into a place of peace and relaxation with each breath you take.
Softening your muscles.
And as you relax deeper with each sound you hear, let yourself relax deeper and deeper so that any sound you hear helps you feel more relaxed, more peaceful.